KTM has significantly upgraded its popular middleweight naked bike for 2024. Replacing the 2023 890 Duke R is the 2024 KTM 990 Duke, with sharper styling, a new frame and swing arm, a new engine with increased horsepower and torque figures, new WP suspension components, a redesigned exhaust, and an all-new LED headlight design. The 2017 KTM 790 Duke, nicknamed the Scalpel, saw immediate success. In 2020, the model was upgraded to the 890 Duke R, followed by the 890 Duke in 2021, which returned to KTM's lineup in 2023. The 2024 KTM 990 Duke drops the Scalpel moniker in exchange for the Sniper, representing the upgraded model's focus on precision, agility, and performance. The 2024 model also comes 30 years after the first Duke, the 1994620 Duke single, marking 30 years of KTM Dukes engine. The 2024 KTM 990 Duke is powered by a new liquid-cooled 947cc parallel Twin LC8c, which will have increased horsepower and torque figures, making a claimed 123 horsepower and 76 pound-feet of torque. The engine features more aggressive camshaft profiles and longer valve openings. The 990 Duke also gets an updated knock control system and a wider radiator with optimized airflow. The new exhaust system is complete stainless steel and has been redesigned to better suit the higher displacement. The lambda sensors have been upgraded to be more accurate at getting exact data from the exhaust for optimal tuning on the fly. The higher-powered engine is fitted into a completely new steel tube frame designed for sporty feel and positive feedback. The new frame design includes a revised swing arm pivot point where the frame goes down the outside of the swing arm bolt for greater stiffness. The new gravity die-cast swing arm is lighter than the previous construction by 4/8 pound and has reduced swing arm stiffness. Overall, the KTM 990 Duke has a ready-to-ride weight of 395 pound. The 990 Duke gets a new seat design for 2024. Compared to the 890 Duke, the 990 Duke seat is angled 2 degrees upward in the front section to prevent the rider sliding forward, and the overall seat height is 32.4 inches. The passenger seat is moved up by 0.8 inch to give the passenger a better view and more comfort. The footpegs feature an aluminum construction with a rubber insert and are positioned for a sporty riding experience. For 2024, the shift lever has been moved closer to the footpeg for an easier reach. The 2024 KTM 990 Duke also gets new wheels and tires, with 17-inch front and rear wheels shod with Bridgestone S22 tires. Stopping power on the 990 Duke comes from dual 300mm discs up front paired with 4-piston radially mounted calipers and a 240mm disc in the rear. A new disc mount saves about 1 pound of weight on either side of the front wheel. The new disc mount, together with lighter brake discs, allow for a lower rotating mass for easier change of direction. KTM's Supermoto ABS comes standard. The 990 Duke is equipped with a 43mm WP apex inverted fork that provides 5 inches of travel, and uses a split-function technology that allows compression and rebound damping to take place in separate fork legs. Compression and rebound are adjustable through 5 clicks. Rear suspension comes in the form of a WP Apex monotube shock. Rebound can be adjusted through 5 clicks, and preload can be adjusted manually. The Scalpel has always benefited from plenty of tech, and that trend continues with the Sniper, including all LED lighting, a color 5-inch TFT display, ride modes, and more. The 5-inch TFT dash includes scratch and glare resistance, new graphics, and a redesigned menu structure. A USB-C connection is included, and a favorites area at the bottom of the display allows riders to preset 4 preferences. The KTM 990 Duke includes 3 ride modes as standard, as well as 2 optional ride modes: performance and track. Rain mode offers the smoothest throttle response and reduces max power along with the highest traction control setting. Street mode is the default for normal riding with full power, default throttle control, and traction control suitable for street riding. Sport mode gives the rider full power, more direct throttle control, and less traction control intervention to allow moderate wheel spin.